Hey guys, I'm going to draw a microwave. First you start with the simple rectangle shape, like this. So then you draw an extension. You extend the back end of it like this. This is the back of the microwave. Vents. She has vent like that. Then you draw the flap like this. And here's the door. You draw a handle like this. And you draw the two buttons. And that's the controls basically. And there you go. There's the buttons. There you go. There's a simple microwave. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn notifications to stay updated. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos. I appreciate all your support.